Hey guys, this is your guy Paul, and don't worry why siko kwa shamba. I know most of my previous videos I've done them not in a setup ya shamba, but these previous videos it's been all about enlightenment. I mean enlightening you and flashback, like evaluating what we have achieved in real estate. Remember, it's not just about selling. You know, selling is beautiful because that is the reward of my work. Selling, that is the reward. But now, I also have to make sure I guide you through so you're able to make the right decisions. Now, I told you about the farmer who is selling his 100 heads of goat. He's not selling all of them. He bought a tractor carried around 150 heads. He still has like 50 hens. 50 hens or more. There are a few that gave birth, but very few because they were emaciated. Walikuwa wamekonda sana. So now, this is what I would want you to do. It is not late. It is not late, but right now you cannot get a goat at 1,000, even at 600, even at 2K, even at 3K. You cannot get a goat kid called lamb or doe. Probably you can get it around 4K right now or 35. Based on how many months hiyo buzi iko, and I don't want you to give up. Kama uko na hiyo pesa pahali, wachana mambo na money market. I mentioned about this in my previous videos. Mambo ya money market wachana nayo, tafadhali wachana nayo kabisa. Money market is for people with money, money that is lying idle in the bank, money that they cannot invest further. They have already invested. Sijui kama tunaelewana. For example, if you invest 100K in money market, you'll get around 10 to 14,000 in interest in a year. Sasa nikuulize, so kwa kila mwezi nikumaanisha unapata pesa ngapi? Thou profit, surely. This guy invested 100K, when nimempea in the previous video, invested 100K in my idea ya buzi. Out of that 100K, he is able to make 100K profit every month until end of this month. 100K. Sasa wewe mjaja mwenye uliambiwa pale na motivational speakers wenye wamekalia kwa kiti ya ofisi pale wanazunguka hivi, motivational speaker wakakwambia wekelea hiyo 100K yako kwa money market, you see your money growing, you see your money working for you. How much have you earned in those 5 months, January up to now? How much have you earned? We are heading to the first half of the year. How much have you earned? Trust me, if you have earned a lot, ni 5,000 kama umepata pesa mingi, and if you got a better deal, 7,000. So tusidanganyane. When I give you ideas, I give you ideas that work, ideas I have seen working. You see, like right now I'm using real tangible figures from my past clients. Kwa hivyo, it's never too late. Start goat farming right now. We're in the month of May, and in the next 5 months, mwezi wa 10, October, we shall be here and we shall now be analyzing you. Don't worry about utaweka buzi wapi. Niliwaambia you don't need 10 acres. If you can afford 10 acres, well and good. When you own something, it comes with authority. You have authority. But now I told you, you just need a small space. 50 by 100 can actually accommodate up to 200 to 300 heads of goats. 50 by 100. Haya, maybe the question, utalisha wapi? Huku Kitengela kwenye nakupatia hizi mashamba, this place imejengwa. I mean, not kujengwa, sorry. This place has so many free grazing areas. Remember, lands here in Kitengela zimeuzwa. Usidanganywe na watu, zimeuzwa. Na wale watu wamenunua hizi mashamba ni wewe uko Nairobi, hauja fence plot yako, ama kama umefence, umefungua gate hivyo hivyo. So that is where people are grazing. Mpaka ile siku mtakuja mjenge, mjaze Kitengela. So grazing area iko. Na hakuna mtu atakuuliza. You know, I saw some were concerned. They were asking me, Paul, what about the local community? Are they not going to chase us, considering we do not come from the local community? They may chase you if you are grazing on their land. But remember, these grazing areas I'm giving you, or I'm going to show you, they are not owned by them. They have already sold the land, and they are owned by people who are probably in Nairobi, others are outside the country, and it's just a bare land. Okay, so you're allowed to graze there, so long as you don't enter into someone's farm that is fenced. Sawa sawa. So if you want to do goat farming, please do it. Don't wait until tomorrow. Prices are increasing every day. Next video, I'll tell you more.